What's up, guys? Gonna do some nail art today using the new Gelish Fall Collection. I'm applying 2 coats of artwork in progress, curing each coat for 30 seconds under the LED light, and then I'm gonna wipe the inhibition layer off that second coat and use Gelish Artform Black, drawing a few lines to know how to space out my leaves, and then I'll go back and fill in and expand some of those lines, bringing the tips of the leaves to a point. One of the things I really like about the Gelish Artform gel is that it is super pigmented. It covers wherever you put it, and it doesn't move around. So wherever I put my gel, say I do a thin line, it's not going to expand and it's not going to shift around like if I was going to use gel polish. Now, when transferring chrome onto Artform gel, one of the things you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure you don't over cure the Artform gel. So don't go over 30 seconds and your chrome should transfer much easier then. If you go over 30 seconds, sometimes it's too hard of a surface and the chrome just doesn't want to transfer very easily. Here's the new Gelish Chrome Stick Copper. See, inside of the cap is where all the pigment is stored, and there's this little spring that pushes the cap to the applicator, refreshing that applicator with new pigment every single time. Here I'm taking a separate makeup applicator, and this is really good because it's nice and soft and it will really rub in those chrome pigments into the Artform gel, giving you a nice mirror finish. Now, to get these leaves to look a little more realistic, I'm just drawing in some vein lines using Artform gel directly on top of that chrome that I had just put them on. Now, I want to cure this Artform Black, these vein lines, and then we're going to hit the chrome on top of it again and make that look a little more 3D, giving it a little more texture. I'm taking that makeup applicator again and rubbing it gently on top of those leaves, and it just removes any type of excess chrome dust that you have and also brings more of a mirror finish to that chrome. And then we're going to apply our no cleanse gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And we have some 3D leaves. Thanks, guys.